Alright, Unit 6, Lesson 6, Number 1. A lighthouse is built on the edge of a cliff near the ocean, as shown in the accompanying diagram. From a boat located 2 feet above the base of the cliff, the angle of elevation to the top of the cliff is 18 degrees, and the angle of elevation to the top of the lighthouse is 28. What's the height of the lighthouse x to the nearest tenth of a foot? Well, what we're going to have to do is we are going to have to first calculate the height of the cliff, and then we'll calculate the entire height from the top of the lighthouse down to the bottom of the cliff, and then we'll subtract them. So to get x, the first thing I'm going to do is use this little, the smaller triangle with the 18 degrees in it, and I'm going to say in that triangle my x is the opposite side and the 200 is the adjacent side, and so that leads me to believe I'm going to use the tangent function. I'm going to say the tan of 18 equals x over 200. And then we multiply 200 tan of 18. Oops, 18, not 15. That's an 18 equals x. And so you can calculate the value of x there. Then let's go ahead and call this height. And so I'm going from the bottom of the cliff all the way to the top of the lighthouse. I'm going to call that y. And now I'm going to look at this big right triangle. And this would still be the opposite side, and this would still be the adjacent side. So now I've got another tan function, but this time I'm using 28 instead of 18. And I'm going to say tan of 28 equals y over 200. So when I multiply, I get 200 tan of 28 to get y. So you'll calculate a value of x up here and a value of y here, and then your answer is going to be y minus x will give you this. Okay?